In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Docs. ClickUp Docs is a helpful feature for creating notes, project plans, internal guides, and all kinds of team documentation in one place. If you want a simple way to write, organize, and share information inside ClickUp, this is a great tool to know. I'll walk you through the basic process from opening Docs all the way to sharing your finished document. To get started, look at the left sidebar in ClickUp and click Docs. This will take you to the Docs area, where you can view existing documents and create new ones. If you're new to this space, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it feels easier to navigate as you build your document. Next, create a new document. Click New Doc and then choose Create Doc. This opens a fresh document where you can start building your content. It's a good idea to create docs with a clear purpose, whether it's for meeting notes, a process guide, or a collaborative planning page. Once the new doc opens, you'll see a default title, usually untitled. Replace that with a descriptive name that clearly tells you what the document is about. Using a specific title makes it easier to find later, especially if you're managing multiple docs for different projects or teams. After naming the doc, click Start Writing and begin entering your text. This is where you add the main information you want to include. You can keep it simple at first and focus on getting your ideas down before refining the layout. When your text is in place, you can format the content to make it cleaner and easier to read. Use the formatting toolbar or type a / to quickly insert different content elements. From there, you can add headings, lists, tables, images, and more. Formatting is especially useful when you want your document to be more organized, easier to scan, and visually clearer for anyone reading it. If your document starts covering multiple topics, click Add Page to split it into separate pages. This helps you organize information in a more structured way instead of placing everything on one long page. It's especially useful for larger docs that need sections. You can also connect your doc to related work in ClickUp. Use Link Task or Doc to attach relevant tasks or other documents. This keeps your information connected and makes it easier for you or your team to move between planning and execution without losing context. Finally, when your doc is ready, click Share. Add the people who need access and choose the appropriate permissions for each person. This helps you control who can view, comment on, or edit the document. Thanks for watching.